If you want to see more topics, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see RLC, that is resistor, inductor and capacitor in series and in parallel. So first of all, let's see resistors in series. So here we will write resistors in series. So let's take three resistors in series. Let's say this is resistor 1 with resistance R1, this is R2 and this is R3, and these are the two terminals, and here its equivalent resistance is given by Req. So in case of series, resistors in series, equivalent resistance is given by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now let's see for parallel resistors in parallel. Now let's take three resistors in parallel. Let's say this is R1, R2 and R3, and this is Req, equivalent resistance. So now its equivalent resistance is given by 1 upon Req is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now next we will see inductor in series and inductor in parallel. So let's write here inductor or inductors in series. So again let's take three inductors. Now its equivalent inductance is given by L1 or Leq. Let's say this is inductance L1, this is L2 and this is L3. So its equivalent inductance Leq is given by L1 plus L2 plus L3. Now we will see inductors in parallel. So inductors in parallel. So let's take again three inductors in parallel. Let's take this is L1, L2 and L3. This is Leq. So its equivalent inductance will be 1 upon Leq is equal to 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 and plus 1 upon L3. Now next we will see capacitors in series and in parallel. So let's take capacitor in series. So let's take 3 capacitors in series. So let's take its capacitance as C1, C2 and C3, and here this is CEQ, equivalent capacitance. Now in case of capacitor, when they are connected in series, that time its equivalent capacitance is given by CEQ is equal to 1 upon CEQ is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. And when capacitors in parallel, when capacitors are connected in parallel, that time its equivalent capacitance is given by, let's take 3 capacitors connected in parallel. Let's say this is C1, C2 and C3, and this is CEQ. So its equivalent capacitance is given by CEQ is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So let's revise again. So when resistors are connected in series, that time we have to add them, and when resistors are connected in parallel, that time we have to take this formula, 1 upon Req is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That is, we have to take the reciprocal and then add it. Similarly, for inductors and resistors, same formula we use, but for capacitors, when they are connected in series, that time we have to take reciprocal of this and then add it. And when capacitors are connected in parallel, that time we have to add them directly. So this is about RLC in series and in parallel.